deal will be beaten by any unless it be objection. I was a quality center as I got kind beam, but there was nothing like that. It was there the need to create that scene. I will go put taxi driver. You cross
for me, Mama, Aqua Shoko, Ediba, too much GHS. So, money about some phone and Ama Obusua in na Ebreno as to say, dear, not to say training issues, bread and aso. Na Ghana so and Sema Air Cost Ghana and Sema here, Dicano, and also any Etuja, our training issues in Muna and ne and Sema, Yedi, any other como a year. About one declaration. Chino and Sensema Aman Humiso and Radia Cray so ewo rich wine so a brand not as a minority leader Haruna Idris would be a minority members of parliament in Nima Womo Airport EC office early petition Akotuja and Sensema Bobaba El Chira Sem to say Ghana as a Siano Akoya in Sempi after Abatone came himself Kasundre and as that bay any Ebejo and as a Yakosu I medie say woman and so Abatone Chino the Kakono maintain Wasano and Sema Ebobano Ayebebre na and Nepa the Ebeshe Techima South Cecia a bia and Semaman Humiso a woman Timosia NDC for Epeja Alpha a year resulta your friend say EC releasing a day after presidential no a womb any ABM so no member of parliament there one more to da one more any monte as a miniano ye ni ebeko wa ye behwemu eyepa na make an san e pata se me obi wa ha me no ebeye sa eye ade no na atse ye behwemu nti me mo me niema eye boyomi electoral area Assemblyman wada no Mr. Patrick Ewuku member na man no akwa basonko na ye share enkomo no ase prekope Mr. Patrick me ma wo akwa ba
me just me niaba
bibi aboko
nyame adom ne mo me electoral area din no bona so bo ni ya pedo kokko
ye ene me wo amani e din ni de me patcho bo ni ye man
wo ye man
wo ye man
wo ye man
wo ye man me patcho
ye man en krakasa wo ye man
e patcho se
la kokko fita na ne baku what do you say
okay okay wo ye man patcho sa na electoral area no edi esipata ono na assemblyman awata no sa NPP representative enti ebedi nkomo edi afa sa ensem no busa for waba on board na me ma wakwa basronko wo hwe ya wodi weni edi echele nkomo no wo so ka wo bi ama no ACP enti wo patcho wo hwe no na wo de wo comment edi to da na biem so wo bomotia a share video we on all social media platforms say ya amanfo do na so betimi aba on board na wo so abecho madwe afa enkomo a ye bedi ehun na Mr. Patrick we die Techima South seat no dispute bebre and amanu so ewo a fee declaration ebesi ene yeti ayedi nkomo enra da krango no minority members of parliament mwomo kom bom kra protest kakra de kopiemu ewo isiemu won sentem de bebre aba no so wo mo kire se ya mo kwan isi pa anye wo mo petition wo de koto enimpo na police force si wo mo kwan ni nya no sa arguments where aman who so e what Techima South no ebe dey are clear no because ECC we declare we what the pink sheet are better about the parliamentary they were found by presidential or the better about it and NP before so did to say woman no manya the seat of Techima South and the first that be one more nipa Christopher Beyere so no nya and almost one pink sheet what is one the error proof say sa na sifate and it is science sense we ebe dey settle a woman
Fa menchia kese ema ya hwefo anope na menchia Ghana ma penya ya satroba ayi na adodanko afuwa ene na bedi achiri Dr. Lomia menchia minua Martin James Akosa
okay
Techima for so atroba yi no certified result declared by EC say Martin James Akosa. Why you boss?
Techima South constituency.
Yes. ya to abayi no so mechia no ma ne trim kwa me so Techima fo ehun ni pa e wono ho ani gidi o manya wonu tro ma to aba na memfa kwanya wi so enchia me ame boss mmiri yapani eye patrick ya bo on eye MP for Campus Central me nana se wo na shishe pa the leadership role or play in making sure so Campus Central e be jina prayer e be come kind
okay
ti ye dana se pa na and so me youth organizer the birthday nti minia Oliver ba ya popon emma kwatenten na djuma na wo ye no you wona koso ye minia ba ya tu aba every the processes of elections say enya hidden so what tie Professor Jam na sem go ba but be kan ya also since 92 ye ka aba let one year very transparent in this year election
2020
yes
okay
because from the onset and the call scene everything was very transparent you see it me at the gazetted police centers about Betuga, you finger of God womb. Ya to baby, there's not a single police or Obitimacasi and two about when you declare results. What I say?
Yeah.
In spite of COVID protocols, the team was very smooth. Ubia quite control number. A 2 money, but proper or 2 money. Obia no why you see the way. Ya challenge bia oba because na the days abeti na ye to abai nya to mie kana ballot box here buru krofo and then this time it didn't happen like that.
Obasi nya a mishap bia kakra ti say ewu to senya Techima South one Migration Center Ablikuma Central.
It wasn't during the voting.
During the voting ewu to senya dey no or try to of ballot box at the free yes center one.
Saturday yeah can
oh that be said midway through the vote and ebiom kano some parts no your complaint say ye battle no ballot papers no yatete candidates ni bi etf mu anything ye nya mishap kakra
I don't know yet and never be at the end of the day no I na attention wo about you but say okwohwe over the years the manipulations and the work about to one we are just about 1% of it.
okay
What do I say? NTV must have been about what you are coming be Emma. My man from the beer may be impetuous near a phantom. Yet trouble be a policy ship aboard a Church of Christ. Omaka abandon we at the results no bia ni watching here. Ubia the print sheet. Aka electoral officers no say almost so the documentations no more documents no document in Abeko is circulating center. Police in your car officials no hono ejina taxi. I'm on the say omofan. If you are this for now, also want to ask you. I'm a taxi that I'm going
say police nina ejina Indiana.
Said taxi now, I don't know the down you. So when we follow and go to the collecting center, what is now no mujina one about? I'm a friend, I'm so look at the number of taxis and the ballot papers. No neighbor. What a crime is it? Ya bano, ya tuwi, ya kenkanyawi. Obi ojena obi at the result. What sign? Pink sheet has gone out. And then will be beaten by enemy. Unless the baby will be ready objection beer. I was a quality center as I got kind beam, but there was nothing like that. It was there the need to create that scene. I will go put taxi driver. What you say? Until you say, oh, send him away. Yes, you're about to be a view, but it's all the compare over the years. About I can tell you, say we. I abattoir, kind of food in a deep one as I say. This year, to Master is a fata, you must be. You must be. Near Abba chilling in our near the aftermath of the elections. So you're trouble the year who's on the trouble. And now, you know, this was a wanting but I don't blame them. That electoral commissioner, they declare elections. But you can't bother now. The voter will know the percentage, which was higher than John Mahama. When you bought John Mahama, then the people started to vote. Yay! Meanwhile, the president didn't win. So why were they jubilating? I can't catch it. Because at the time, they prepared their minds even before the elections. All that they are doing, the hula baloo prayers, they started preparing the minds of their supporters 3 months before the elections.
Do you want to say, Papa,
a daylight scene. I mean, police station be no affair near to
okay.
And this is the process. Who follow the protocols? Who do by activity? You check your you verify. You take where you the amount. Ako presidential, ako two, what the other two. We are ako parliamentary table. What could they?
No, I don't know about.
Now the other two. We are ako fee.
Yeah.
A true number. Oma wom fufu wi oma fred mo ba ne ade nyina but nipa bebre be gina ho e ma ye kan ba 1 2 3 ye wie ye no ye kikasi ani and declare result and we police center a white traba na ye declare result ye declare we are ya till be a pink sheet at the amount. There's a great media Santa home. I will be able into so MPP pink sheet and so NDC pink sheet. The pink sheet is one.
Okay.
What does all the other parties in no more agents they go to their pink sheet.
Okay.
During all this processing, there were observers missions. Local and international are almost to patrol go rounds. I feel all these processes. It is a kicker. I think she's in our one. Let's go collection center. A one, a cool say, okay, okay, central. There were 130. 7 police centers. Okay. What the special motive become one? According to young carrying in our room, now you can do. Now, what is serious political party? Young NPP folk, present for instance. Before the year move, the East Collecting Center for the constituency, now we already have our results. Through the pink sheets.
Okay.
And this is for women, you will be.
All right.
Yay, you went to say a problem. You need to declare within 5-10 minutes, we should have our result. Until we started putting things in place, just set it up. You go get your laptop, you get a pink sheet, you get a BPI, the collected result. to go and confirm say pink sheet now the police onto others nearby ya say ka say MPP nya 100 and no na what is you could do here no yeah dear any easy dear no there was no problem with it but you could do one and do but never come in sasser and this for a moment because pink sheet nikita no do we won't say any manual yet you can see any manual it's a police we MPP say and this is say you only check from your pink sheet say figure no boy and the one years one because your pink sheet be different and one pink sheet and you train the reality their mom.
Okay.
What you say? NDC agent and one to go now. Or the kind of secretary says book easy a boy now what you figure or you can make mistake. It's also be share a confirm from or no pink sheet so yeah pink sheet in that and the secretary laptop until you never you just go straight and check. So the no or you can
Nti metiwase mpacho we de ma mbem kaka na metiwase a no omo officials no munya trained enough na say na wo ni madwumadi na wo
me de me hu wo me center na make am wase
na ho na me gina bisa
and that tells you how this is.
Okay.
What you say? Nti e be wie no figure the total figure no ye de what be share one no ka pretend dey na add up. I remember there were some incidents over or go over more than 3-4 times. I'm an easy guy, no. I have to mention the figures again. After I mention figure, no, say 83, I'll be not 84. It's not one figure, if in spite of the pink sheet, they don't know. On one figure, no, they pay attention. No mistake. And it wasn't added up. Okay?
Okay.
Certain way and the elections.
All right.
Until you are too abandoned every year. Police station, you declare no more.
Okay.
You go collective center, I could declare the elected assembly, parliamentary candidate. Okay? Your ban national ever declare because it's only the commissioner and or the returning officer for the presidential elections. It's the whole will be able to put up the figure. Now forwarded the aba. Now they are forwarded to go national. Now the national officers also. I can't see any. Now they declare result. All the regions throughout Nina. If an NDC officials answer and say, these are the certified results. If an answer.
Techima South,
I'm not talking about because of national.
Okay.
Region by region, we have 16 regions.
Yes.
If an NDC answer pink sheet is this is a certified result. If an answer. If a no man sign into your cocoa pie. Ya to aba awie ewiase nyina boga na baso say ya tuna to aba was mu ya declare result awie I declare that Nando say he's the president elect. Ama other presidential aspirants nyina atimi ebinu kura qualify ebinu frɛ no e bona baso.
Yeah.
Man couldn't say, oh, yeah, that's so I didn't couldn't. Now, as this is all the one into. One into Mosua. One from a pink sheet in their grammar. Now, the Montiasian. One upset now. And this will make a Joseph no more quality or more result. Pink sheet great will have no more DHD, and yet they are on the street. It is a one team quality result. Ozaka patient ever check your result and who say echo nifa ana benku na wo die nkrofo ma akogu street to no mo hihye tie say niema. So why are they on the street if you don't have your facts? That is why you can argue to say the results has been gazetted. The gazetted results, say gazetting here you have 21 days to go to court. So one thing I say, and then and your market they will go to court. It is only court that can order the Electoral Commission. Obeti o argument ni go Monsanya editing yensanya hwe figures ni bio. You don't have the right to instruct easy to do that. It's only court that can instruct easy to do that.
Okay.
And obi a wati o man so da. Amunim say nyama we nyina no. You are behaving like a para okita bufro tire different.
You do honor.
This is a para okita bufro tire toya yachi. Very desperately. Mama at Dubai and the Kikaka and conform by the Ongu street so. On Koshi Market.
Mr. Uku, so I'm making mention of that. And a young court EC legitimate so. See, I know Ghana for the donor cassette. EC legitimate no do say voting time, voting period, no to collation. I say things were open, transparent. But after the declaration, and maybe what I think. Say woman ebi nya omo nti ase no nka betimi abeda pete mu na to bi nya no nti ase say na etie meka akosi pink sheet no wa posti ebi e wo ne website, official website no so bete bi wo no ma wo posti e ebi bi so ka say enka de enka be ma atenti na aye adwuma ne say enka all the over 38,000 polling stations in Ghana and to go to me posti wo bia polling station enka wo bia nya we say fine. So 94 a protest, you say okay, almost signature one in here, say, one must sign, there's no cause for them to demonstrate. But a man is saying, as some particular places be and they are posting pink sheet out there, but since I know that I will say a gazette result, what is the transparency in this?
Let me use her question.
Okay.
I was here at the Abasupo, and my Electoral Commission this time. 2012, when they did pink sheet at 2, the page.
To be honest, sir.
Huh? Yes, sir. This is the first time. So, easy, a person in your mother who kind, Tino. Oh, to Sunny Mama, Bibia, when you're trouble, we are paid, you took pink sheet money and TV to get at the polling center. So, they are the only one man tell about who say. And they declare.
Okay.
Okay. And you know, yes, 2012. Emra MPP, the number na jo. And keka ye pinch it emu. Ya rely on the EC. Ya rely on the EC because EC there when declare certified results, what sign, what two pinch it the amount, what will be. Never cannot say.
Yeah, meeting.
I didn't declare no. And I got a polling center. They declare result. They declare we do a sign a certified result. It's in your car. When the say, yeah, boy, 72 we are a certified result. Then we take it from there. Yeah, they are back collecting center. And when you're back, you can see any. I was a party beer, so get to party beer, serious and interested in the election in beer.
Okay.
And if you also swap, let's say we are patients easy on phone, or to take the map parties involved. Party beer will be a or tea. Betty the girl don't go get to Betty the man, or Betty the man will be or Betty the man, all the parties involved. We don't need easy. So I'm on my website and said I want me a quality result. Then they're not serious. 2012. Easy. I didn't have the website. Not pictures to website. No. But NPP, we were able to collate our result. Because you go for a home intimidation. Almost with your focal ransack party office, go boo, near my one in your baby. Because no one knew how we are doing it. Inti almost easy. Ever say near my they shouldn't forget where we are coming from. The easy is trying it best. I'm not here to speak for them. But they're all yellow. Young and people. They are so collecting result. Not other parties were collecting result. Media, the role the media play. I say, media house na at the provoke polling station to polling station. Onya ko ne kwa aha yenya ayi akufuado wonya say we anya say na media station so quality on so results. Apart from SYZ, tell me media has cry and my different figures. It's a media for cry you have been under attack. You say peace FM na joy FM for the idea or man this kind and you have been insulted and been attacked here and there. Because and look at the disgraceful atmosphere. Say you think that sika e bomb so mo question mama e no ntimi nimba so I'm going for pink cheetah, you the pen, and actually the center. Electoral Commission this time around, the pink cheetah the by polling station by polling station be a D, you print also. You have a pen to play. So we go for different pink sheet. So bear that good that pay, but that kind of form. And then Oma Koshe to review actually editing video. I tell say Jane Mensa edit results no ma John Mahama. Adaku data be. And they may know and they are claiming it. Now I don't blame them because so Uma so full pinum day and come drawn in nada. And ma we need apart from we know soon we and the potential we go to president. Na jai na ye so transaction so na ye so ye duma what I say enti control niema ye hihia ye kwabe drama ni benya 50 de be amamu no he is still dreaming what share anum bi me penum na pa so bi nyane me say ye dai na me so bi I like the video what you go for it now dia kesemo obeda dia benyane no ne ade afi odia nani obopiti dia ne no da konya so oda bench so me wa da yemu no sa and you grab to mama boy na owo botai bi ene trupo bi e wo ni trim ne dai so sese no na president dia yemu Ghana ni mu ase after I was West Ogun incident we think of the diplomatic call and video. It has nothing to do with ayawaso. A soldier phobia or colleague a woman quite ye. Could you video the child of Monshe? Say, what's the quiet how I ask you no more money? This is how you want to paint Ghana. And in your oh yeah, and then the party for na Moshishi market name for people of is to demonstrate to the international communities that Ghana is not peaceful. Now come for Bonia or share comes on the bed or money bought movie. And then Airbus 17 or moving into quite. But what? nti o man ba nyina yetimu
Mr. Patrick sisi a yakeka afa the ekoso abato nichi but sisi ano e say yen focus e wo Techima South constituency no emu won sem no e say yen focus wo kakra according to NDC no one more pin sheet one more polling agents no e di abro mo at say bibia indicate say parliamentary seat wo Techima South constituency no one more candidate Christopher Bayre and a winnie. But EC declares MPP and only one of the most anticipated pink sheet at Ghana for people who no one yet clears the same as if at but on three no my out. Just the presidential no and what they about and no no figures no what are the upper. It exceeds the total valid voter. Just say one more trouble. They not just say confusion no say things are not as clear and only confusion. And why is it going on like that?
Really? I took my time to take you through the electoral process.
Yes.
Police center, medical community center.
Yeah.
Many say NDC for they are telling us the real story. I don't get a different picture now. Media for now, not on round. I'm on quality results. On the results at the moment, media houses near them. Are they giving us different figures? Who is even siding with the NDC? Said, and they say they are done like anything. In other case, we did say election dispute. Yen cannot street so.
Okay.
Yen cannot judge shame. Yen cannot court. It's a part of my beauty, the brand anyway. Intino say, what did he say? What did he say? Whoa. And as dear, and as evidence, be a chance say, Mona Mubini. Proceed to court. One when is for Emra, the returning officer, at the megaphone, say, obey declare results. Quaya ho basa basa, kwaji, a megaphone free in Sunny Adiano. Were they paying attention? Were they paying attention? Young country in young ways. Gone are this, and near the young day. And the elections, it brings that is the elections. Gone under this, I did macho. And it brings. Because Titimbre now, Okutana, Katinka, Ubu, forcing me to about 10. Separating nature. In the modern world, I need be a man. The bomb as a bear, Kakragana, Hano, as I want to abandon, electronic system, to now. Equality, equality, so that at the end of the day, you can send him a win now. Yeah, what TV. Engineers say, one of the American elections. Papa's work on Tiasia. Demonstration, you can demonstrate is your right. But who demonstrates men what she says, men what she tie. Be law abiding. And I'm urging them. Minority in parliament to give us a responsible opposition, but not irresponsible opposition. So, may I you declare on the 7th, so Yamiya don't buy you so a ma. Nana Adako Kufuano, a best friend in. Also, I need because Ghana for a would team over 500,000 votes. And yet 40,000 now, and a crown MPP young 40,000. And I former the late president most of the election 40,000. And now we are talking about 500,000 marching. Now please, John Mama, Sawada, Omunyanu
Mr. Uku Pepacho, Yenshe, Professor of Law and Accounting, Stephen Asare do not name as Kweku Azar was say one Casawatinase and yes or bo isino is or Cassetia isino or Mabasu will do the Judia one more 8 year about but what a car figures in your boom total valid votes just say isino the two dry or Techima South constituency no total valid votes no 97,227. Na enumu no yera ye sitting president na Akufo-Addo enya 46,379 and Mahama etiminya 52,034. Na enu krampo no there are other votes other parties no etimi enya ye. Na the total valid votes nya ended up at 97,227 valid votes. Now we can't just the two Ebo Mukrampa 46,379 plus 52,034 only 97 one man. And what about the other votes now? I can who can in Yaboma according to no additional year. It is to add up to 98,413. And notice say if this is the counter, now valid votes no in all no total valid vote 97,228. What about the 1,000 a day children? As I say, I did all the votes no up from all the other candidates. So almost standing I was a constituent man. Where are the other votes now?
This yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Where is it coming from? Is it from EC?
Pink sheet now.
Pink sheet. Yeah. And the EC for and the year on press conference. That's why he's referring to them again. I don't know if I did that analysis.
Where EC for the no post say presidential results no.
Me pacho. Who is EC for? And you'll be post. It's been circulated on social media.
Okay.
Send your motive video here. Yeah, it is a Jane means a declare Muhammad and not social media. That is the same way this page is circulating. And you know, no offer on their analysis.
As a professor of law, say pink sheet
this is evidence and this for and the trouble. This is coming from the NDC.
Me, I'm speaking based on the professor Stephen Asare Kweku Azar.
A professor can be misled. But what? Almost number 1 year. Almost almost the demonstration here. As at now, Safi no makole to results will be a year. Professors in Ghana. Oh, a big Ghana. A big Ghana. Yeah. It's not about the professor now here. It's about being carried away for nothing. Maybe Electoral Commission, why eligible? Sabio, some and fools will be on one. And Brother said, court. It can't do everything short. Court. That is the law.
The court is also not the only way around this issue. And the court inquired, the man was so many options or demand.
So,
Ubetima protested. You must make your petition, you must present your petition. And no one abided by statistics, I be one more user, and now so my Endra, one minority.
What the petition call? Any man say, what petition imagine, and as a man, you declare you then obey. The only high decision body. And look at the court bit much easy. I'm not 2012 MPP about 2 months of the court. Court easy. I can't is a woman different body. And I may audit one.
Yeah,
that is the process. I was Mr. Azekamu, or really parliamentary. Yes, it didn't say a farmer. Case Nico Court, I am book case not from few months to elections. It has been like that all the time. It has been like that all the time. And that is NDC for you. It means, we say, a day catch them be. I'm not yet declare elections. They yet declare another. A man over 50%. So kind of what to a man. I know a pretty John Mama with over 500,000 votes. Now you bought John Mama and the other people were jubilating. Why? Why?
Now, Jina, Techima South, how are you? There are some polling stations at NDC for answering pin sheets, but still, Techima South results about.
Yeah, anybody knows in a contest election.
Presidential. There were about 12 candidates. Presidential winners.
I hope that the day of elections not until.
Yes, Mukaka.
Now, take a report to me.
Yes.
I have found a couple of baby. I will have 12 agents for the presidential.
May 12 in all that I go. Bekakra, some of them.
That didn't say. Yeah, 12 in our moments and engineer nearby to Mana. I'm talking about declare.
But he said the biggest opposition here in Ghana, NDC, and if anything would arise, they will be the one in dispute. It is one side they are as important.
Yeah, the person makes sure when they say, and Brana and Casa will say, and the engine to move. Okay. And Unti and a create on qualified agent and corner, Unti Casa 1 in 2. Near make a note, okay. Sir, and Brana says signature. And then there was a presidential, every police center, you are going to go about 12 as agent. No one you almost sign. And it will be on sign, it doesn't change the result. And it doesn't, I know the elections. And maybe you know what.
Now, so also on sign up the reason behind no credible enough, and also no.
What do? You proceed to court. That is the law. So one sign, who feels a war case be so the 2012 NPP for demonstrating my guessing in a who you know. You go a court so no. Yamiadum, you know, camera. Aquanacro cases how the elections went. For example, good when you must say, near the Macot Pong, if you are getting Nino, a dirty my who say election, let me give you. The first time a bus up and I have bring say, hey, and I'm saying, Papa Chomba. But a papi to get the blood. And yes, street so. And they can say, if I go to court, we started collating our result. Yeah, pink sheet me, and they say, and we presented it. Ghana for me now, elections were declared with even finger of God polling station. I'll be any baby. Pink sheet, finger of God. Yeah, they declared on my president. Finger of God polling station. Obedient man try and baby cry, Nancy yet to a back, and declare result, and more than an inside. Meanwhile, nearly baby, ghost police station figure of God, and no crown, a donor president. And then a princess out this time around. Mimia, a man down. It is a white gentleman. The results will be. Or they declare the elections. To see will be able the number of parliamentarians are practicing in our war. If you grab one, some more citizens or more, and men and dinner so more. Canadian citizenship don't be contestation in our war. At the right time, you go into that.
Okay,
and you know, say, I want to see. What can they do? They have to go to court. I mean, so my NDC for 1 full year. Almost even collective results from their court. So they will resort to say, you could grab one thing, you basa basa, you cause traffic, you market. and the rest.
Why are you accusing someone of more share market ni basa?
Oh, of some profit. I know for some profit. Pentecost and more the quotation you name my money who wasn't the being an hawker. You kidnap him crowd. You're more money your governable. And that is it. Then you know, but people will be a basa.
Sansem no I saw a court I in team patch or you no film because yes, you're making final judgment to a case.
You say about outside voice in the voice.
About but still now you died the judge no so no and then the final sentence.
Me can't see fan into more. Me say the tape no me say me was so no. So you kidnap Crawford, you check Crawford, you man Crawford can't even know more fear and this is what NDC plan to do.
And now, Miss Wilson interest say, Rana says, Sir Judge ni and cast away, me good for, and I said, me good be ma, will be a new was I writing it, man or one of I
beg to differ. Me money for.
Okay,
never me send it tape a bar on teen, summer was on America. And summer won't tape on the soup. Say you kidnap Crawford, you kunkunipa. Your man and go for 20 minutes no fee. What I say, better than no one. What she never go my body, and more upon some in your true bias as a super obey basa. So wherever the evil, the devil is basa, you know. And Bible said by their deeds you shall know them.
Okay, yeah, viewers back home, Ebisa as the true J. say Ghanaians are saying EC favored the NPP. That's why they are not willing to allow the NDC to submit their petition to the EC. So they made the police and military stop the MPs on their way to the EC. Now, I don't know, so they're not better because MPs and I think work a camera or they are members of parliament. They have hands in making the laws that abide guarantee. Womu ko baby grandpa petition and compare represent. Now yes, womu kwai.
But did you say video ni?
Yeah.
Before I can say the woman so how they will behave.
Sir, then any braba. Yes.
Any brand saying any brand is so you get voting. So petition, I'm open more present my petition. Am I easier? You could have even sent one person or two people to meet the EC. So say yeah, always. Huh? But me and poster me before say Omubako na me wo Rebel Radio. NDC ni repa oba. Ebe hinti before 9. Meanwhile, EC reporter Omo can say EC so nya omulete no 10 o'clock and they got the 11.
It's no one
NDC rapper. Mimi ni kushia already so I going debate. Give that information out before 9. Now is now also call crying the same information some more. Mimi you can try NDC for. You can go here kind of daylight robbery 2012. You are apart from 92 open ballot paper, like box. You are two, and they will say. And then let's be an apple swap because 92. You who said the protest in the course. A true story, the stolen verdict, the later Dubois. You see, there. You go to Supreme Court. They can the Supreme Court. The evidence we do after 8 to 9 months. I kind of want now witness see our good and solid case. It took a Tukuba within less than 5 minutes to give his verdict. You see, you put end so but guarantee. You don't want guarantee. Now, second, that's what do so be the president. That's what people be and take and for so many also. And you know, yeah, never basa. be allowed. But we learned from it. So, you see, elections are won at the polling stations. Elections. But per the Supreme Court ruling, was elections are won at the polling stations, not on the street. Not burning markets. No.
Okay, Gideon Vakin and also EDB Abba was saying all results can never be collated because it was all from the NPP strong room. According to Onono, he said the NDC fought me one coalition CP and said if you strong room and ever
pink it yet it no NPP headquarters. Pink it no yet it no NPP headquarters.
It's more manipulating elections
anyway. How? Mommy, how?
I said,
you're too about no polling center.
Okay.
And yet, participant, oh, observe first, nipper, baby, a cuckoo, and ye kind. If it's so, your mistake, crowd will be there. I got to be more, or be a gentle to be catch a master that be way or to my way. So, how? Can somebody say, well, a cook figures? From where? From where?
And the one is that some of the pink sheets are not available to the end. So I need to know Omunya access to such documents for one that's on way.
Miss out. Come on for agent.
Come the agents call you.
To see, I may know, say. Maybe you say, I can pink sheet as somebody don't go on coming. Not because we need interest relation, because one for agent. It was on your pink sheet. Now, what the agent call? Yeah, it got to a point now, yeah, intact. NDC pulling agent back, but the pink sheet could die, and they were searching for him. Before. So, if you go out with search agent, who will be easy? Who will be MPP? Please, they should give us break. So, almost in pink sheet now. No money what they declare about. No money what they try about. You can't no money. And the pink sheet don't get no. So, agents so I found they should blame the agents. What in the end is for you? It's a win, woman. Even at all the 275 collating centers for the elections, constituency centers, they have one lawyer. I don't know.
Some the
lawyers crack or travel in the Canada. Lawyers across the country. Lawyers who were trained by a lawyer manager. And it's almost cut home across the country. No, and then so many appreciate no cut on over so
Nancy's woman case. If the Oken Yacha say NDC don't have a basis for their protest in any wing, case, why are they bent on doing it? Because it's like they need justice to be said. Or we got a question about the children. See, if the EC believes the results are transparent, why is Jen Mensah on leave while the country is in hard times like this? It means she knows what she has done and she doesn't love her country. She's a fraud. Because Bibia the thing everything is in its way, and that's why we need to say why is it that still now NDC is pushing hard at the EC say only being found at the end?
The pen NDC for say let's start your demonstration.
Right after I think the 9th of December.
What the various interviews I will call for granted.
Yes, yes, me too.
Say, who be some say, quality on result. Na figures the same cousin.
Oh, baby, a trim coming, so more presidential, or much more quality results. Maybe not to say, they are total easy, then maybe I see mistake, maybe almost exaggerated figures. Add my NPP, maybe one more at 2 figures, and one more apple, still one more dead by 2.
Okay, Mammy. Tie among many for party many for lawyers house, also on the power, responding to the various media houses, interviews. They will tell themselves you know quality of result.
Okay.
The declared election in year, you started demonstrating. Meanwhile, you have not collated your result. So why are you on the street?
So they have doubts about the outcome. Sene West says, Sene West, it came out in their favor. Meaning that they had a case.
Maybe Sene West.
Okay.
Easy. They declare what?
When declared.
Case be that no more. Only declare. Only kind crime ye. Near kind ye. But what?
It's added to NPP member of parliament no obesity.
Omoko. Eko kind ye. Kind ye. I don't declare. Declare as a new waiting. Maybe so. As a
can Kokota and can NPP in because no say one no afa ba.
When they Kokot.
NPP.
NPP no dey Kokot. When they catch us ura. Election so wetin dey Kokot this year declare me. You declare me, you can't dey name you declare me. And tell the man back out. It is so what say be ha. Kono mko ka ba ni wie. Omo ka me so declare na so who problem one. Then you come to court. Because na aka ballot box in dia dey enka here. Omo say obi ekotam here. Omo that time ko ekodi buy na seal ni bi wo ha otwa. Okay? Nti eno ye enka here. Eno kura ano MPP di tum won buka here. Omo declare here na MPP aka say won. That is the procedure. Nti wono yenya eka se kufa do wini ya pen ade chie na ase du katia na mrantie ne maba wa motisi monti e obra ne mate abotire result pay and omodi here ya amunya conviction said they have won the election the omonti ase they were playing with people's mindset on the Crawford game and a year juma and Crawford game and on one year to and a minority. According to press conference, did they even talk about the presidential elections? They only cited Techima.
Okay, remember on cry so due to minority leader Haruna Ijuso and also NSMA they whatever to draw to media anymore say one petition in here and say easy any recollation of Techima South constituency ballot and casting on only recollation of all the results. Now, I know na condition as I said the Omodima is so one more ever represented inauguration 7th January inauguration as in some member dia na adi easy a year collation. I am not for say okay mami and I am not for say omo kasa na wo mo dia to me say presidential no nyu omo dia bi man na say because
they say they are not making that argument again.
You also say
for the whole week. What is Omoka that presidential ceremony?
Me sure that
now no, they are given easy condition. Catch it on. Say swearing in is a choice. They can decide not to come. It will not stop the program. Swearing in one man, and the other president is Swana.
They are part of the house.
No, in the other president is Swana. MPP Bokoto. Parliament. Former the late rules when what did the 4 years? Remember? I said call election 1996. We boycotted the whole parliament for that period of 4 years. Omapanina notice 1 year na Juma Omapan. Maybe so.
Say it has to do with our democracy so because your democracy basically a Juma Manaso in here. The two parties must come together.
I was saying yes say. Your man cases a woman who I ain't me yet. Your man no say you declare your best president in in. That is the law. No, my young kind of said, Sir NDC for a boycott to swearing in. It means a good father, the elected president. Or he elected president, you best swear in. Go, man, go, you best swear in. He has been declared. elected.
Okay, what about
okay. If they have problem like what we did in 2012, yes, when Mahama in Yango, so Bekaya for only invited former President Kufuor, and the Ukrainian CM call. It took the intervention of the security forces and Sana President Kufuor. Enya kwai ako nana do anko ye mpanyinfo anko. Doesn't mean say your friend is one. We went to court and you know yes or no doesn't mean say you continue your mama is saying 2012 no na yet ma
juma
and to me no yo our platform is there for three things: education, entertainment, and information. You can't together for you say. So you need to declare who is a president. I had to my game. Now you gather the result. Who will problem on one? You can challenge it at court. So, open say, yeah, order not easy. You go to court. You do that through the court process. And yet, through the original now radio interview and answer me a press conference. Now, why instruct easy? Do this before we do that. No, we are not talking. We are not sharing anything. That two about MPP meaning. Asa, that settles it. On the 7th, you be sworn and do that one. And then the MPs are on the in. You can choose not to be there. So yes, MPs in now, they should even boycott it. And it's their own case. And then Bibiana, because the 7th Parliament, yes, we're in, yes, MPs in, nobody say, on a book in Japan, no to Canonia. Oh, it says when that this stops for year MP. It's very much re-educating people. Yeah, declare election again. Nana Dankwa Kufuor has been declared the elected president of Ghana up to 2024. The best sworn in on the 7th of January. And yet, this will be determined. Say best sworn he has been sworn. He has been declared, and the law mandated. Say the best sworn in by the Chief Justice. Now, what was it? You will mind book, you will development agenda, and MPP government will be focused to develop Ghana. And then we see who consumer who say, Oma BCC street light posts, new ones, as an assembly member, Beniaji, because development, echoes. That's what we are in to do. Yeah, because I deliver at the Amakanafu. You watch at the Shekanafu. And only.
Mr. Kumamifa, in your back, or Gideon Vag, and a question backward, no so just about and famous. If the pink sheets are really what the EC used to declare the winner, then why are the figures not accurate or matched to that of NDC pink sheets? Even the percentage is not balancing. I say, oh no, besides, ever since a declaration by you, we say easy and making changes every figures.
Paper to please. Medical council will say you were educating and informing. Easy, they make only one correction. Only one correction. Only changes baby. You can't write changes baby. It seems like because this propaganda living to me and we are educating people. Easy, they make it only correction once, and that correction will make it yellow. Can never. Namaste. MPP don't believe in that. We are the property-owning Democrats. We believe in say I'm going to be here too long. I couldn't. Until Ghana is children moving the same. The process is ongoing. They are told that we declare, we know say transition team. egusu yo moduma de den say na ebeya nanado on the 6th of January. Now the first time I ended. Within some few hours, I says I swam back. Because 12 o'clock midnight. Now, the time I ended, I was at the Chianopa.
7th, no.
On the 7th, I swam in. Now, I was at the Letuaso. And Brown, and this dear don't mean now. There's a time said, your trouble we are. No specific days be are. One tear say you can go to court. Sometimes you trouble we are, there's nothing you can do again. And they are laws. What I say, they are laws.
Okay.
And it's only from Brazos who need to money, and then Brazos wants to be you. And we will get there. We will get there.
Okay, Mr. Uku, yeah, you come on, no, every year, finally, no, then a person won't car and check on the phone.
Medimano, every year. And just that is here, and the Magana phone, you know, a Ujidia, Umunya, Nana, and Dankwa, a Kufuadumu, a some man on a second-term mandate, so from Twasu, no, as she power, a good Magana, 1 district, 1 factory, 1 village, 1 dam. School feed or expanded, even in COVID, you are your mama transfer call a company over 248 within 2 months. Now, COVID by now, how not routine upon home what you manage, you know. I may be seen in a Bogana Paso on Koso and my that transformational leadership. Now, Gidina now and swap or Calgary Central. Gidia yenya e wona wo pataki abo mamu so oh boy am transform the whole community so gidina yenya wo enso papa enti MPP abai coalitions and EC any declaration of EC is the only power to declare elections. EC declare so be a woman say because on TV Asia. A court. So the echo say MPP kita double citizens. Young farm ranch and some cochino say oh MP. No. The processes are there. You go to court. I don't know massacre be a condemned prison for 2 years. Or if you by Yare so the what you say? It's here from Rana say and said. Yeah, evidence. We will proceed to court. So, nearly 2 years. I know yes, and I'm my. So, be yes, you're money 2 years. I mean, go buy election. We know. Yeah, you have come to quite our body. The family acquires of their kayas. And Sasuna said, young man, this is for a woman as a puppy, a wabato, I had to declare no one. And Branzo so that was something near the fossil at the commas. So, motion as money as in be as well between the water. And the best say, Omunya who yo. And then is a moody. No magana and Konani. Now, Omunya, young coach shake a ties, ye would dear, apparently you social media. Now, ocean video be a white year. So, oh, ye nado. Even to the stand, so more shit, or even mentioned piece of him. And other media houses almost can room or mobile. Now, your mama on top of telling you the end is the agenda. It's a net, better sorry, Nakantaman to a ship, better sorry, Nakanasias, better sorry, not a gap, Kophobia, and if I share. You should know the people who are behind it. It's a kind of form. And that year, some for tape, and the end is if only and almost a more can you say, it just shares in a young one. Now, same perform with the tuition somebody here. It was a kind of form. You have found Pabotan and another Danko for Gucci. Now, omu mobile na Ghana and waiting and wait to a back. The best friend, so people catch us at the same one thing, like a demonstration. First, the back on the year and then the back on one. Almost to me from Mango Dubai, Canada, and Crackers, yes, and Momma. There may not hear me cruising by the swimming pool be moved barrier. And it will be a more general. We cannot risk our life for them to enjoy. It's only a babu, not say, we will catch us a J. Think about yourself. Show mommy pray, show papa pray. One casa flag, Kakana for this one, Brabu, the foot two of Benyasa for you do the cancer. And this become. Become. What about you? I'll come here, Basa. Now, when you be a son, by be a son, like a few. It will be a question of ties, cars, Bassania man. Let me fear. Oh, Futu, maybe tea, me, Yamajuma, and was a tie. I won't do it. I'll use that productive hours to make a gain. But maybe give for so bad so many. I'll not waste it for nothing.
Even if it was to be your party in dispute?
I will not waste that time for nothing.
Okay.
What did I say? I will not waste that time for nothing. We had more bank, you also go demonstration. So we are bank, I won't banking, sector we had to man. I would also a good demonstration. I was a time. We sound
Dabi, unya pen
huh? And then the MPs in the Kurano, among 50 of Fianco, they went to Parliament. I control this about Parliament.
Yeah.
As an Omoko, they are making meaningful life. What about you? What about you? Our future is bright. Let's protect it. Number one, my politicians be more fire in Yakuza. People will buy you a high package and respect yourself. We are babuna, place value on yourself so that will be my forward journey. Then good Yako. Mofa Mambro, now would be a car, or no Wafa Baby. Or no Wafa Baby.
Everything for Mr. Patrick Ewuku Oye, Assemblyman Edima, Woyeman, Makani Yepa, Woyeman, electoral constituency, electoral area, Assemblyman Edma Woyeman, electoral area now. Was that a NPP representative and then Edwin Common, Edifa and some Amanu Meso Alpha, Techima South, Abba, yet two, Honuna, and Commano, Diniano, what my drink Chabana, Copo in Shiramupa, no such that F on Inti, Sergeant Charlie Biogua, un just watching, and that no fine one. Wait me, Acosta, Eddie Abba, Nab, Panma, so no, ye, Bebomodiaso, Eddie, and war, Tessamu, Eddie Amon now. And then, no first time I wish it to my GH. Abomadia, now subscribe and be able to follow you. Boy, your Instagram and your Twitter handles at @TumaGH _ Facebook also @TumaGH. And then, when I'm a D, which I'm a meeting, Edina Ama Usa, Namia Tuma, ever said you Shakim, Makramo.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone. But you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Fahima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.